Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, today is 7th of February 2023. It's happening live here, direct in Enugu State. We have want those politicians to stop doing election, but they insisted of doing election. That's why we have come to destroy their properties. Yes. Since they refuse to hear what we are saying, look at Fulani is there, spoiling things in the bush, but they are after doing politics, keeping canopies and seeds. That's why I insisted coming today to destroy it with boys. Yes, to see that all their properties being destroyed because they insisted of doing those politics. Yes, destroy everything, scatter them. Yes, scatter those canopy. Make sure you scatter the pieces, those canopy. Yeah, pieces them. Scatter everything that you see. Make sure you don't leave anything behind. Yes, scatter them. Pack them one side. Put it fire. Are you without fuel? Yes. Make sure you bring it close. Yes, scatter everything. Keep packing it. Scatter them. Boys, keep doing your work. Since they insisted of doing politics here in Biafran land, we warned them severally not to do politics, but they insisted, selling us all the time. Look at what they after is to be doing politics while our Ogamazin Nandekalo is there. They are not after him. They don't think of how he's feeding. They don't think how he's taking medication. All they after is to set canopies and sit with table for election, waiting for who? Another new governor or another new president to come where the country is not good. We don't need anything called election in this Biafran land though. We keep warning people, scatter them. Yes, boys, make sure you start everything. You can imagine what they brought, drink of 150 to share our mothers and our youth. Yeah, to deceive them, to say their birthright. Imagine that kind of nonsense. This is not what we want in Biafran land again. Look at what they have done. Fulani is there in the bush, spoiling things, spoiling our farmlands. But they have not done anything. What they after is to set canopy and do election. We don't need it. Yes, it's happening live here and direct in Enugu State. We have warned those politicians to stop doing election, but they insisted. That's why we have come where they are doing it in their polling unit to destroy whatever they said and to warn every other person, any villager, all their villager, all the villagers, yes, both men and female, our youth not to come out. Anytime those people come to deceive them, telling them to come out for election, they should tell the people no.